In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can load a shapefile to be displayed on the map. Shapefiles are probably the most common data format out in the GIS community, and probably is the most commonly used data format within Map Suite. So let's hop right to it so you can see how to use shapefiles in your application. So for this sample, all of the code is in the view source, and down here is where we're adding the map to the page. We're going to go ahead and set a background color. We're going to go ahead and set the map unit to decimal degree because our shapefile feature layer is in that coordinate system. And we're going to go ahead and set our what extent we want to zoom it into. Now down here, we're going to have add an overlay to our custom overlays collection. And then we're going to go ahead and add the world map kit as a base map for this sample as well. So none of this has anything to do with the shapefile feature layer at this point. It's really just setting up the map and applying the world map kit as the base map. Now here's where we actually go and load the shapefile feature layer. So you can see we've created that new object there, and we just give it the path of where the .shp file resides. In this case it's an app data, and it's named country02 because it contains all the country borders around the world. Once we have that layer created there, we just need to go ahead and tell the map control how we want to style it. So in this case we want to style it for all zoom levels between 1 and 20. So if you only wanted to show it from 1 to 10, you could modify this property accordingly. And then since we're dealing with country boundaries and they're area based, we're going to go ahead and set the default area style on the layer. And we're going to create a simple style here which shows that we've got a transparent fill, with a green border. So that's just going to go ahead and tell the map control how we want to render these shapes or these features within that shapefile. And finally we go ahead and add the shapefile feature layer to the layer overlay and render the map out accordingly. So as you can see here, we've got a base map with the world map kit, and all of the country borders now are kind of displayed with this green line. So it's really easy to use shapefile feature layer. Map Suite's been optimized to index your shapefile feature layer, so I'd invite you to look at the build index sample application as well, because then you'll get the best performance out of reading your shapefile feature layer information. I hope this sample application has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us, or you can post them directly on our discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.